Hello, I received a question from my first video and her question was, any tips po kung saan pwede makakuha ng tutorial or materials on how to be an Amazon VA? Before I answer that question, let me first share with you what is an Amazon. So an Amazon actually is the largest online platform, online marketplace in the US where a seller can sell their products online. So basically, it's like a Shopee or Lazada here in the Philippines. When I checked earlier, there are around 6.3 million total sellers selling on Amazon, which means that there is really a demand pagdating sa service ng Amazon Virtual Assistant. We, Amazon Virtual Assistant, help Amazon sellers manage their business, help with their daily operations, from doing a product research, creating a listing, do advertising, shipping their products from their suppliers to a fulfillment center in Amazon. So to answer your question, the tips that I can give is first, watch tutorial videos from YouTube or TikTok. So there are actually a lot of amazing videos available online that you can watch or access for free. Mostly nanonood ako sa YouTube. There are a lot of good naman na videos na you can watch. Just search keywords related to virtual assistant or Amazon. It comes to tasks or processes, and if you want to better understand the Amazon Seller Central, which is the back end of Amazon, I recommend watching videos from Amazon Seller University. So lahat ng videos dito is also available sa Amazon Seller Central. And lahat ituturo dito yung mga processes to better understand or how to navigate Amazon Seller Central. Yung first tip ko is watch informative or tutorial videos from TikTok or YouTube. Second is mag-join ka sa Facebook group or LinkedIn group related to virtual assistant or Amazon. Why? Because there are actually a lot of community or Facebook groups na discussing tips and advices, strategies sa pagiging virtual assistant or Amazon. Madalas pa minsan, may mga job post na pwede mong applyan. Honestly, doon ko nakuha yung second client ko sa Facebook, and yung pangatlo is sa LinkedIn. My second tip, which is join Facebook or LinkedIn groups or community related to virtual assistant or Amazon virtual assistant. Pangatlo is you need to attend or enroll sa mga online or paid trainings. But I recommend that before you do this, kailangan ko munang mag-save, maglaan muna ng pera para makapag-enroll ako. So if wala ka pang client, watch ka muna ng mga tutorial. But of course, if you have naman money na, and already enroll sa mga legit na paid trainings related to Amazon or virtual assistant. Ang dami namang legit, but be vigilant and do your research dahil of course ang dami ding scammers. So if you would like to know more or videos related to virtual assistant or Amazon virtual assistant, just follow. It only takes a second to follow. And of course, if you have questions, you can comment on this video and I'll try to answer your question. That's all. Thank you.